Hi Twinnies, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of Sequoia Hotel Manila Bay, located in Asiana Business Park, Parañaque City. We'll show you around the hotel's facilities, share our thoughts on why we chose to stay here, and give you a sneak peek into our experience. By the end of this video, we'll also share honest review of our stay so you will know what to expect if you're considering Sequoia Hotel Manila Bay for your next trip. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for hotel reviews, travel vlogs, fun activities, and more. So this vlog is kinda special as I have someone from Korea who will make your day brighter. So wag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa, let's get started!
Siya si Mami. Ako yung restaurant. Diretso lang ako.
Uy!
Need lang po namin your ID and signature po. This is your room at the 11th floor. Please read our policy on the Wi-Fi password. No smoking in the room if you have session po. Okay. Then the pool po is at the 6th floor. So 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
8 to 10. 6:30 to
10
10.
Ito, in. One. Oh, okay na.
Ayan, so after na nga natin makapag-check-in, tingnan muna natin kung anong laman itong 1104, kung anong itsura niya. And welcome to our room for today. Ayan, lagyan muna natin itong card. Boom! Okay, so, ayan, pag ano ng pinto, pag sara ng pinto, meron silang full-size mirror. Hello! Then, ayan, sa likod, emergency escape plan, as always. Dito yung kanilang signage. If you want to make up the room or do not disturb. Then, the insert card for the power, then switch. So, here naman, sa side na to ay ang kanilang restroom. Ayan. Tingnan natin. So, malaki siya. For me, malaki. Maganda. Hindi ganun ka liit. Ayan, may shower. Meron na rin heater. Automatic na. Meron na rin silang lamang, I think, shampoo or bath soap. So, here's the mirror. And then, basic toiletries. So, yan, toothbrush, toothpaste, and the hair dryer, towel. Alright. Yan. So, after ng restroom, ito naman yung kanilang storage. Wala silang cabinet. Oo, wala. Pero meron silang ganito. Parang estante. Tapos may mga, din, lagay ng hanger. Pwede rin sa taas. Ayan. Ito lalagyan ng sapatos. I assume sa baba. Pero yan. For now, dito na kasi yung gamit namin na ipalagay na namin. Then, here's the exciting part. Ito yung itsura ng room. Lalagay ko dito sa description kung anong pangalan ng binook naming room. Pero ang kasama niya is 2 single bed. 2 single bed. Ayan. Very aesthetic yung design ng room. Wala gaanong design. It's plain, I think, brownish and gray yung design. Ayan. Diba? That's 2 single bed. And binook namin to via Agoda. And I declare 3 packs. So, kasi dalawa kami ni husband. And then yung dalawang bata, wala namang bayad yon. At tsaka si nanay. Kaya 3. And so ito yung TV. Then they have refrigerator, of course, mini fridge. Here's the safe. Ayan, a remote for the TV and so sakto meron ding table. Ayan, sa mga gustong mag-work or merong kailangan gawin. Meron ding office chair na kasama. And of course, ayan, may tubig and then electric kettle, telephone. At ang maganda, meron silang mini sofa. Ito yung nakakatawa. Diba? So, kahit 2 single bed, kahit 3 kayo, kasya kayo dito. Kami nga may bata pa eh. Tingnan natin kung anong view. So, we are at 11th floor. Ah, okay. So, we're facing Makapagal. Ayan o. So, Parkal. And then, doon, banda ron, is the Bay Area. Kaya lang, may tambak. Ayan. Ayan yung Ayala Malls by the Bay. So, there you go. This is our room for a night. Okay. And mag-check pa tayo ng iba nilang amenities later tonight or tomorrow morning pag breakfast. By the way, binook namin tong hotel na to for today because ngayon yung concert ni Park Bogo. Fan meeting rather. Fan meet niya ngayon sa SM Mall of Asia. So, para hindi kami ma-hassle, hindi kami maliit sa pag-uwi or tsaka sa pagpunta. Ayun, dito kami nag-book. Kasama ko yung friend ko. My dearest friend, Becca. So, papunta rin siya ngayon dito. At hinihintay namin siya. Okay? So, that's it for now. Later, tingnan natin yung iba pang meron dito sa hotel. Lilibutin natin itong Sequoia Hotel. Kasama ko na si Becca, yung friend ko. My dearest friend. Papunta kami ngayon sa fan meeting ni Park Bogo.
First time!
Yes, first time niya. Ako naman pangalawa. Excited na kami. Ayan. So, baba mo na kami ng hotel. Nag-grab kami. Yan, yung sa aming sundo. Ay, thank you. Sige, sige. Oh my God! Eh, kasi on time yata eh. Ayan na si
너의 유리처럼 맑은 미소가 세상을 완전히
what? Good morning po. No, stand lang, stand. Stand up. Stand up. Stand. Ito mataas.
Doon lang tayo sa dulo.
Wala, mataas na sila.
Hindi. Dito na lang. Dito. Nasaan na yung 1 to 20? Pero marami.
Hindi!
Wow!
Come!
Wow! Oh, wait lang.
Wait. Sige, slowly. Walking. Walking. Walking.
Wala yung shower. Sain. Para po. Good morning. Hooray! O, picture muna. Hep, hep. Hooray! Hooray! Sige. Bye-bye!